Hate eating your vegetables? What if I tell you that you can get your daily dose of essential vitamins and nutrition just by drinking your vegetables? The wellness concept functional juicing is like drinking salad in a glass. This program consists of 3 products: Barley Green, Beet, and Betacarotene, each with its own health benefits. Did you know that your body life enzymes will start to decrease as you continue to age? You will tire easily, wrinkles will appear, while toxins accumulate in the body, making it prone to illnesses. The Barley Green is a concentrated organic barley grass powder from Japan. It helps to detoxify, alkalize, rejuvenate, and energize the body with alkaline nutrients, consisting of 16 vitamins, 17 minerals, 18 amino acids, and more than 300 live enzymes. Beet is a concentrated beet powder from the USA. Beet roots are packed with calcium, iron, magnesium, and folic acid for blood building and to enrich weak blood. It also contains betaine, which helps with liver detoxification. Beet contains natural nitrates that helps improve blood circulation, which can increase vitality and support a healthy heart. If you're experiencing fatigue, hot flashes, sweating at night, Beet can help to relieve these premenopause symptoms by promoting hormone balance. Betacarotene is a concentrated carrot powder from the USA, which is enhanced with vitamin C from acerola berries, which are packed with antioxidants. Carrots are known to support healthy vision. This product contains beta-carotene and vitamin C to improve your eyesight. Besides that, drinking this will also improve your skin health and complexion, strengthen the bone and teeth, and boost your immune system. Now, imagine all that goodness I just mentioned all in this one glass. Some of you might be asking, why drink your vegetables? Isn't eating your vegetables better? The benefits of juicing are so that the fiber-removed juice can get into your body cells within minutes without the time-consuming process of digestion. So your body will be able to instantly absorb the nutrients from the vegetables. All you have to do is combine 1 tablespoon of barley green with half a tablespoon of beet and 1 tablespoon of Betacarotene. Drink this twice per day, before breakfast and before sleep. 2 glasses of servings daily are equivalent to 8 servings of a regular salad filled with live enzymes. By drinking 2 glasses a day, it will help your body to naturally detox, balance acid buildup, and leave you nourished, so you feel energetic and look younger. The Wellness Concept Juicing is an award-winning product and patented processing method which helps retain more than 300 live enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids with 20 times the concentration. It is extremely convenient and cost-saving as this glass can be ready in 30 seconds. It is also certified organic and received a double certification from USDA and JAS. Protect your health and those of your loved ones by starting and ending your day with the Wellness Concept Functional Juicing.